Traction control off, the car will actually perform better in the Velosters. I don't know why. A lot of people made YouTube videos on it and they like proven it. So yeah, turning traction control off in the car will increase your performance. So we are trying to have the best performance right now because we are doing the 0 to 60. So once we get at a stop, we will do the 0 to 60 and then I will time it on my phone. So alright guys, so we're gonna do our first 0 to 60 pull. Ready? Go. .45 seconds, guys, and that was without paddles. Alright guys, so that was the first one. That was the first pull without paddles, and then we're gonna do the second one. Alright, ready? Second pull, go. Okay, that one was a little better. It was 8.13. So last one was 8.45. This one's 8.13 seconds. Alright, so we're gonna do the third pull. Okay guys, so what I think with this car, I think the acceleration is a little slower. That's why it is a little faster, and the boost kicks in third gear. So that's why in the beginning it's not as fast. The acceleration needs to be fixed in this car. So hopefully with the newer models they did fix that, or we can always add new engine mods. But right now I'm running an air intake and then the MBRP exhaust and then the blow off valve. But that's pretty much it for like close to power mods. The air intake is basically the only power mod, but yeah, that is the 8. That was the second pull, right? Yeah, that was the second pull, and then we're gonna do the third pull in a bit. Once we find a spot, it's really hard to do it in the residential area, or not the residential, like the main street. But yeah. All right, guys, we have reached our destination. We're gonna have some coffee and try out some new coffee places. So the third pull is gonna be the final pull that we are going to do for the 0 to 60. But yeah, we're gonna do the third pull at the end of the video, so stay tuned. It's gonna be exciting to see what we will come out to. So the first one was 8.45, second one was 8.13, and then we're just gonna do the third one, a spot to do the third pull. All right, guys, so we are going to do the third pull, and ready, set, go. Oh my God. That was a bit faster. It was 7.61. Okay guys, so now it's 7.61. I don't know why that was a little faster, maybe because my car was warmed up a bit. But we are going to try one more pull, and I'm going to try to do paddle shifters, see if that makes a difference. I don't think so, but that was 7.61. So that was faster than the times before. So I want to see what I can do with paddle shifters. Yeah, isn't that crazy? But yeah, this car is not the fastest car in the world, but when it reaches third gear and that turbo kicks in, it is pretty fast. And it's super fun. But yeah, just the accelerating part is just not as fast as I thought it was. But ready? Okay, paddle shifter. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, that was like, I didn't end up stopping it, but that was like a little slower. It was like 8.3 or something like that. So maybe I didn't I didn't time it right, but yeah, it's hard to focus with my stopwatch and do the paddle shifters. But yeah, so yeah, 7.61 was the fastest time for the 0 to 60, and yeah, like I said, it's not the fastest car in the world, but it is pretty fun. And when turbo kicks in, you get that nostalgia feeling where it's like you feel the G-force a little bit and you feel the turbo kick in, so that's pretty fun. And that is part of the reason why I like this car, is because it's fun and around corners is pretty good. So in a straight line, 0 to 60 is not the best. Maybe if you go on the freeway and do like a rolling, I don't know, 50 to 70 or something like that, maybe it would be much quicker than 0 to 60. But yeah, guys, that was a 0 to 60 of my Veloster Turbo. It's a 2013 model, and I know the new Velosters have much more horsepower and a little bigger engine, so I'm glad they fixed that. And I think, I'm not sure if Veloster N has twin turbo or one turbo. I'd have to look that up. But yeah, guys, 8.31 was the first one, 8.13 was the second one, and 7.61 was the third one for a 0 to 60. And that's gonna close off today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my 0 to 60 of my Veloster. But yeah, guys, please subscribe down below, like the like button if you like the video, and my name is Excessive2, and bye, guys.